Hi, it's Star again. We're on part 5 of our 5-part series, and our final cologne is going to be this one right here. This is an oud-based scent.
And what is it called? Oud Touch.
It's about $30, cheaper than $30. It's about $28 to $30 on Amazon. It's a very nice perfume.
Full disclosure, what we're doing here is sharing our opinion, or own personal opinion, about these products after testing and using the products. We're not affiliated with or associated with in any shape or way or benefit from the sales of these products. We're not authorized to give advice on the product or market the product. If you do consume and use the product, you do so at your own risk.
Okay. It's rose. I smell a lot of rose just from smelling the bottle.
What kind of rose? Red rose? You seem to know scent, so I'm wondering if you can tell the color of the rose.
It's not a sour rose, so it's definitely red or pink. It's a powdery rose, so very floral. This could be male or female scent. It's good. It's very good. Very light. You know those perfumes that are like super flowery, but they're almost heavy? This is not that. This is the opposite of that. It's a light flower. It's very, very nice. Very clean. Powdery rose.
Is it like the Oscar de la Renta that we first recommend, or a little bit heavier than that?
Lighter than that.
Lighter than the Oscar de la Renta?
I think so.
You want to give it a try again in the front?
This one?
Yeah. We recommended that as an honorable mention in the previous video.
That one's lighter than this one.
Oh, wow.
This one's more of a masculine too. That one's either. Yeah. This one's very good. I like this one quite a bit.
I've sprayed it a couple of times. The bottle is still full, as you know. I've sprayed it a couple of times, but I just because I'm always testing. So if you recommend what to buy, I'm always just testing so much stuff. I have very little recollection of anything outstanding about that.
I like this one more. It might be just because I'm female. This is definitely more of a neutral scent.
Gotta be the female thing.
So I quite like that one. Definitely more than this one for gender-based scents. You know, this one's definitely more masculine. This one's definitely a little bit more feminine. Like, it's neutral, but girls can wear this, definitely. I wouldn't mind wearing this. Okay. Moving on, we're going to move to our honorable mentions, and our final honorable mention is going to be this one right here. Dupe.
Oh, that's the boss.
He's gone through 2 or more bottles of this. I don't even know. Yeah, he's almost done with that one.
Yeah, well, it's a few. What do you think of it?
It's very strong. It's very, very strong. It's very cheap as well. It's about $13 to $15, depending on where you buy it. It's very strong.
I'll tell you a story about where I bought my first jupe. I bought it in Panama. So we went to Panama, wasted all our time in Panama City, and towards the end of the trip, decided to go see the free zones, and we went to Cologne. Got a driver that drove us there. And only when we get there, we realized that all the nice beaches in the city, it's just mud and there's no beach. When we get there, I met a guy called the General, right? So he's Jamaican, but lived in Panama since he was a kid. And the General recommended Jupe to me. You know, he's one of them guys like, you know, the load man at the bus station that hustle, make money off the bus, he make money off the free zone. I know it was bringing me to people who were giving it kickback without a doubt, but I went along and I bought 2 fragrances that week. I bought one that I no longer have. It's from Hermes. It's called Him, and I bought Jupe. That's how I got turned on to Jupe. Jupe is like a firecracker. You wear it, one touch, you walk in the room, everybody's going to turn their head.
Very strong, very sweet.
Yeah.
Super sweet. It's like a fruity sweet. Very much a fruity sweet. Very strong.
I wear Jupe all the time. Not fruity.
It's a fruity scent.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Fruity, flowery. It's very, very nice.
What's the price point again?
$13 to $15, depending on where you buy it.
It's been a while since I bought one.
Very cheap. Yeah. Very cheap. But it's good. It's good. It's very strong. Highly recommend. Honorable mention.